Good morning, you guys. How are you guys doing? So today is the day that I'm going to get new tires put on the Maverick. Gonna go and get the tires put in and probably show a partial reveal on how the truck is gonna look. Or maybe I'm just gonna show it, you know what I mean? Take some pictures, show it, and see the before and after. And yeah, after this I'm pretty much done. Sorry about the bumps, guys. After this I'm done. There might be a little things here and there cosmetic wise that I'm gonna do, but other than that I'm done. I think I checked off the 5 major things I wanted to do to the Maverick. So yeah, all right, stand by. I'm gonna pick up Sebastian. I'm pulling up in to his school right here, and I shall see you in a little while. Hi, Papi.
Hi.
What are we doing today? Say that again. I'm sorry. What did you say?
We're putting on big cars. It's so much fun. And
Okay.
we're gonna go off-roading after that. It's gonna be so cool. It's gonna be a monster truck.
Okay. Yes, we're gonna go off-roading after we get the tires put in, but that's later, another day. But today we're getting the Zeg tires on. Explain who is Zeg.
Blaze, and his name is Zeg.
Okay, so Blaze is who?
Do you know? And the other thing what they've replaced is AJ.
Yes, so Blaze, AJ, and Zeg, who are they?
Friends.
Friends, yes. So Blaze, AJ, and Zeg and they're monster truck cartoons, right?
Yeah, but that's just a show.
That's just a show, yes. And Zeg is one of your favorite monster trucks, right?
Yeah, because I wanted you to put this in.
Yeah, and Zeg is a monster truck that has big tires like the ones that Daddy got for his Maverick. What kind of car do I have?
A Ford Maverick.
Exactly. All right, so we are gonna go to the tire shop so that they can install the Zeg tires. That way we can go off-roading another day, right?
Yeah, we're on to put the zinc tires on.
Yes.
And we're gonna go and drive. And then later, we're gonna go off-road.
Yes. All right.
And
Se-
then I will look at, and then we will look at truck. And just like a big monster truck.
Well, yeah. Okay. So say see you later, and we will. And what else do you want them to do?
Be cool.
Be cool. Yeah. Remember to like, subscribe, and share.
And help your teachers.
Okay. That sounds good. That's a good idea. Okay. So what do you think, mijo?
It's gonna be great.
I know. It's gonna be great because why?
Because it's gonna be perfect. It's just like a monster truck.
Like a what?
Just like a monster truck.
All right.
Can it drive on the road?
Yeah, I'll be able to drive on the road, and then I'll be able to drive it in the off-road, like in the mountains, a little bit better than the street tires. Okay. So what's happening, mijo, with the tires?
They're putting them on.
Mm-hmm. All right. So we have to wait a little bit longer. You saw them put one right now. So right now we're just gonna wait. You're gonna go to the bathroom, and then maybe by the time you're done, the truck will be ready with a monster Zeg tires. You happy? Are you happy? Hey, are you happy? All right. All right. Love you, papi. All right. Say stay tuned.
Stay tuned.